Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her empties for the summer. I hope you guys are enjoying the summer. It is about to pour raining right now, and I already hear the thunder and lightning, and my youngest son is screaming downstairs. He has ABA today, therapy, so he's just all over the place. Hopefully the rain creates tiredness and he'll go right to sleep. Anyways, here are my 5 items, and I'll definitely go through them with you guys, my makeup items. The first item that I got from Instagram, I think the Shade Room had spoke about this, and all you saw was these graphic pictures of people that were bald and like they had no kind of follicles whatsoever, and then you saw another picture stating how it just stimulated your hair growth, and that your hair just grew all the way back, and all of this stuff, right? There we go. Alright, so it's Edge Entity. It's a folic stimulator, 2 ounce. And this is supposed to harmonize health care and health of the scalp. And this was like a trigger buy from the pictures that they showed on Instagram. I was like, oh my gosh, they are like, and it's empty. Oh my gosh, I was like, oh my gosh, my follicles is gonna come back. I feel like this is the best thing ever. You know, let me buy it. I think this thing costs like 36. I feel like it was somewhere in the 30s. And I said, let me get it. I mean, I just bought it the moment I saw it on Instagram. And I just really believed the hype, and it did absolutely nothing. 0. This was trash. Another thing I bought, I don't know who on YouTube, this was YouTube, they were talking about how this could clear your face up. It's acne.org. This is the cleanser one. I don't even know what happened to the other 2 bottles. It's a set of 3. One is a moisturizer, like a lotion for the face. That's the third part. Second part is the actual medicine that you put on your face, and this is the cleanser. I like the cleanser, but the product doesn't work at all, and I did use it correctly with the instructions and things of that nature. This costs $50. The 3 in 1, and I had got this early March or February, because I knew in the month of May, June, and July, that's when the outbreaks for my skin went bonkers. It went 10 times worse during the summer, and it did nothing at all. So I used it all up and just wanted to make sure I used up my $50 product, but that was something I would never buy again. Another thing that I bought, Nip Fab. I think I bought this almost 8-9 months ago. This was very good. I'm down to the last, this is the last 2 pads. And this is the one, I got this from Ulta. This is the Glyco Fix Daily Cleanser pad. And I normally use this like almost right when, see, and it's addicting. When you have it in your hand, you feel like you need to use it. And I go ahead and took all my lipstick off. But this was very good. This was a great improvement. You do see results, and it makes your face feel clean, very clean. And I use it for like removals. After my makeup removal, I would use this, and this is something that I would repurchase again. The Nip Fab Daily Cleansing Pad. This was really good from Ulta. All right, that's 3, right? Yeah. I had a bunch of these, and I threw them all away. I started throwing all my empties away and forgot to do this empties. It's one of the hardest videos to do, is to save things that need to be in the trash. I don't know how people hold on to it, but it was hard for me to do that. So this times 3 I had already used up for the summer are the e.l.f. Cleansing Makeup Exfoliate Cleansing Cloth. I love all of the e.l.f. wipes. They're nice and wide, and they're very moist, and it really, all you need is 2 of these sheets to really clear your face up with the makeup and things of that nature. And the final thing is going to be the Wet n Wild Mega liner. This was how I started doing all my wings that y'all seen on Instagram, and started working on it and working on it, and I finally improved with my eyeliner. You know, it goes away if you stop doing eyeliner, and I stopped doing eyeliner all summer long because it's too hot. Plus I was running around, plus I was traveling, and one of the last things to do was this and lashes. So I probably already forgot how to do it, but I'll pick it up eventually. And that was my final item, you guys. Yeah, I already tossed off the things that made me angry, which was the acne.org and the other one from Instagram. But there you guys go. Okay, you guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I will catch you guys on the other side. Bye.